Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the uses of article. These three, a and the. Among these three, a and an, these two are called indefinite article. The is called definite article. These two are called indefinite article because they don't refer anyone in particular. The uses of a and an basically depends on sound. Basically, before a vowel sound, an is used. Otherwise, a is used. Like an, as. An ass, an owl, a boy, a cat. So you can see before a vowel sound an is used, and before a consonant sound a is used. Next, come to the second point. Before, there are some words where at the beginning of the word there is a consonant but it sounds like a vowel. Like hour, H-O-U-R, hour. Here H is not pronounced, hence it sounds like hour. So before the word an is used. Column second point. So now we can come to the third point. We can see point number 3, words like university, unicorn. Here at the beginning of the word there is a vowel letter U, but it sounds like a consonant. It sounds yo. The pronunciation is university, unicorn. So as a consonant sound is coming at the beginning of the word, so we are using a one, one. This word always takes a before it. A1, eyed man, one rupee note. It pronounces the sound, the consonant sound wa. Before a singular countable noun about which or about whom we are speaking for the first time, a or an is used. Like I saw a man on the street. I saw a man on the street. Here we are speaking for the first time of a man, so we are using a. Sometimes when we are speaking of a person by his name or by his surname, we can use a. Like a Mr. Das. A Mr. Das came to meet you. Here we don't know the identity of Mr. Das, so we can call him a Mr. Das came to meet you. So coming to the next point, sometimes a or an is used to talk about the whole race or community. Like a cow gives us milk. A cow gives us milk. Here a cow, it means the whole class. A class, that is all cows. A cow means all cows. This exclamatory sentence starting with what? In that sentence a or an is used. Like what a pity. The sentence starting with what? A is used. This article. What a beautiful sight. What a. Next, some words relating to quantity. Before these words we can use a or an. A few, a good deal, a lot of, a large number of. Words, all words relates some quantity. A or an is also used before a profession. Like he is a doctor. He is a doctor. Similarly, we can say he is an engineer. So before some occupation or profession, a or an is used. Some native speaker also uses an before words beginning with H when the first letter is not stressed, like hotel. Some native speaker uses an before the word hotel, an hotel, but it is a is more formal today. A hotel is more formal but instead of an hotel. So guys, hope you will surely benefited by the class. If you like the video, please put a like, do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Good night. Take care.